Bad vibes. It's just bad vibe game. Bad vibe game. Jug, I would have lost it. 5 minutes into Jug Simulator, I would have lost it. Only 100 ranks to go, guys. Come on. Come on, it's not that despair. There's only so many bad games we can have in a row. There's only so much. There's only so much. Valve is gonna push the Shadow Shamans. Valve is gonna push the Shadow Shamans onto the enemy team, and we'll be good. All right. Furion is Devil 666. Oh shit, true. He do be deviling right now. I think to think that we had a better chance to win on Radiance Invoker really says a lot. I don't know what it says, but it is speaking volumes. The graph at 10 is speaking volumes to me right now. Wait, you can just check Speedman Q's rank just like that? How'd you do that? What the fuck? Oh, what's BSJ's thing? Uncalibrated. I had a minute for so long. I know. I got a sweet jug set. I literally got I got hella drip on my jug. Look at this. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Look at this. Red sword. I got the red sword. Maxed out this. Maxed out this. Yeah, I'm just dripped out the wazoo. Literally just dripped the fuck out. I think I need to change the belt though. I think this is better. Is it better? I actually don't know. I think we go back to original. Fuck it. Hyperstone belt? Yeah, it is. The green one. Today 0-10. Today 10-0. Today 10-0. I just need to stop the stream right now and then restream, and then we'll be back to 10-0. What's the MMR at? 2 games, eh? Okay. I don't know. I only got 2 games. I only actually got 2 games. Am I fine being 11K